Okay, let's look at question number 35. The question is saying solid ammonium chloride was added into an aqueous solution of ammonia. So let's write the equation that is involved. Ammonia, being a weak base, would partially ionize, producing a small quantity of ions, which is ammonium and hydroxide ion. Okay, if ammonium chloride solid were to be added, it would dissolve in the solution since it's a soluble salt, and it would interfere with the equilibrium because ammonium ions would in fact increase the concentration of ammonium ions. If this were to happen, the equilibrium will shift to the left to counteract the change. So let's look at the statements given. A is saying the pH of the solution were to decrease. This is in fact true because if the system were to move left, that would mean your hydroxide ion concentration would in fact decrease and your hydrogen ion concentration would increase. So because of that, your pH overall is going to reduce. Always remember, if it is a basic solution, the concentration of hydroxide ions will be greater than the concentration of hydrogen ions. So that's why if the concentration of hydroxide ions were to drop, the concentration of H+ were to increase, which would then make the pH reduce. So A is the answer. Let's look at the other possibilities. The concentration of ammonia in the solution to decrease. This is actually false because if the system moves left, you are actually going to produce more ammonia. For C, the concentration of hydroxide ions in the solution to increase. Again, this is false because your system is shifting left. You are actually using up more hydroxide ions, which should make it to decrease. For D, this is also a false statement because actually there will be no precipitate forms once the ammonium chloride solid dissolves inside the ammonia solution.